Hi, it's Andrew from I'm No Gardener, and behind me is my neighbour Steve's house. Now, Steve's very proud of his garden, and it's very neat and tidy, especially his lawn. Now, luckily for me, Stephen has also got the same sort of sense of humour I've got. Well, at least I hope so. What I thought would be nice is if the moles visited him while he was out. Luckily, Louise, his good lady wife, thinks this is a brilliant idea. I really do hope he sees the funny side of that one. That's the view from his kitchen door. Oh, that should put a smile on his face.